This is my rouge look edit inspired by the new Phyto-Rouge Shine color. Only go on the areas needed, close to the nose, and set your concealer. I always apply shimmer eyeshadows with my finger. It gives a lot more intensity to the color. I always add a beautiful touch of light in the inner corner of eyes. I like to smoke out this kohl to blend a little the line. With a small brush, avoid harsh lines. Let's try to move your brush from right to left to grab all the little lashes from the root of the lash line. For the brows, you can also place your pencil this way and use the very precise side to draw very small hair. You don't need to put much because this is so pigmented and it blends beautifully well. You see it immediately add a very beautiful color to your cheeks. It looks super fresh. I start with the upper part and then I fill the lower. And try to go as low as you can to really feel this white line we have around lips. You can exaggerate the liner and then we will mix it up with the lipstick. I decided to match the blush shade with the lips using these beautiful berry colors. And that's perfect for this glamorous makeup. It's perfect for evening dinners, romantic moments, or just a solo moment if you like.